Corey Maas again, back with a video blog with some questions and answers on facelifting. A bunch of them came in this week. Another question that a patient asked was about this liquid facelift. Just a couple of comments about liquid facelift. It's a marketing program that some doctors have been, I think they can buy into the program or elect to participate for a small fee. The idea of participation in the liquid facelift is that there's a group and people who sign up for it or search it on the web and find this get referred out to docs. Liquid facelift is simply a marketing strategy that employs injectable facial fillers to improve contours of the face. It's not truly a facelift that improves the neck sagging and jowling, hanging. It's just another way of doing facial volumization and improvement of facial contours using injectable fillers. Nothing wrong with it, nothing wrong with marketing terms like it, but it's certainly not a facelift. So I had to comment on it, get a lot of questions about it, and I think it's worth doing it. Thanks for viewing drmaas.com on Looking Your Best.